Is there a recipe for a healthy relationship with your ex? Zach Braff wished Florence Pugh a happy birthday yesterday, almost a year after the pair separated. Flo and Braff separated back in 2022 after 3 years together, and for her birthday he uploaded a picture of her above the Hollywood sign writing "Happy Birthday, Legend." And Braff's not wrong, she is a legend. But is it really possible to have a healthy relationship with your ex? We're obviously not talking about exes that are covered in red flags, let's just get that out there first. But if you really believe you're better off as friends, or you were friends before your romance, there are recommended ways to go about building a healthy friendship. According to psychotherapist Dr. Barton Goldsmith, time and space is your first step. Simply, you can't be good exes until both of you have embraced the end of your romantic relationship. From there, making sure that you're both actually ready to approach a friendship and truly respect one another is crucial. Balance is also a priority. For most people, an ex that is present but not active in your day-to-day is the sweet spot. Congratulating you on a promotion, wishing you a happy birthday. So maybe it is possible, and maybe Zach and Flo are here to break the ex protocol. What do you think? Is it possible to have a healthy relationship with your ex, or is it best to just thank you next?